bill, and what will be that bill and how that will reach to assembly.
Yes. The bill which is in the process of being drafted is basically reflect that to bring into force the 10-point charter and the letter we have written to the chief minister. So this is a bill which will seek amendment of certain laws which we think are damaging the ecology and environment. And apart from that, has led to high corruption in this state. So we want a blanket ban on conversion of agricultural land to non-agricultural. As Qaid Asad, in spite of the sections which can prevent, but we want to make it further clear that we will not further allow further conversion of own agricultural land, which includes paddy fields, cashew nut, cashew nut gardens, mango gardens, coconut groves, because all these were given to various people under the code of Komindals for agriculture. So nobody can tell us today that we can use these lands for non-agricultural purposes. In the code of Kominda, the land could only be given for agriculture. All these were short-term leases, long-term leases, and emphasis only for agriculture, with small exception. So this law aims to restore back the position which was there earlier.
So this we will be giving to all MLAs.
This will be given to leaders of every legislature party, including the chief minister of Goa.
Thank you.